Okay, he's finished peeing. And now trying to... Wow, I can't believe he's running through this. It's very deep. And it's still snowing. Hey, honey. Beautiful. Oh, it's just beautiful. Hopefully he doesn't attack me. He gets all happy and jumps and starts biting at me. It's so pretty. Wow. Here it comes again. God, I love the snow. It really is my favorite natural event. The wind chimes are playing because it's windy. ASter seems happy. This should tire him out. Takes a lot of energy to move through that. Here he comes again. Where you going, sweetie? Guess it might be a little difficult to do his other business in this. He's hopping and hopping. Look at that. It's hard to move through this. He's a strong dog. He can hop. Good boy. Left the gate closed so he could run around outside this morning. If you want to call it running, here he comes. Hey, ASter. He's hopping right now. He's actually on top of the bushes. Then this around the driveway. ASter, come here, hon. Come on, honey, off the bushes. There we go. Like a kangaroo. Come on. Look at you. I don't know how he's moving through this stuff. It's hard to walk. What are you doing? Can you possibly go to the bathroom? Look how deep it is. Side of the driveway. Whoops. Let's hope he doesn't poop as he's sitting. That'll be a little difficult. Make your own space, son. Give him privacy for that one, because I think he's going to go. Anyway, it is gorgeous.